Hi, my name is Varisha, and today I'm going to tell you how your customer can refer a friend in their customer portal. So, once you have logged into your customer portal, this is the screen you will be seeing of the dashboard. From here, the dashboard icon, you're going to go all the way down to Referrals and click on that. This is the next screen that you will be seeing. Now, there are four ways your customer can refer a friend. The first one is using code. To use this, simply click on Select Link and the link will be copied. Now, you can send this link over to your friends via WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or whatever source it is that you want to use. And once they click on it, they will be led to their customer portal as a referral. The next one is using Facebook. Now, if you're already logged in to your Facebook page on your personal computer, you just have to click on Post. If you're not, you are simply going to put in your login credentials, and this link will automatically create a post for you that you can write a description in, and you can post the link directly to your Facebook page from where your friends can click on the link and be referred to their customer portal. The third one is using email. To use this, you're going to simply type in the email of your friend that you want to send the link to. If you want to send the link to multiple friends, you can separate their emails by a comma. After that, you're going to simply click on send and the link will be sent to your friends. The fourth one is using Twitter. It's similar to Facebook. If you're logged into your Twitter, you can simply click on tweet and it will automatically create a post for you to tweet. If you haven't, you can simply log in and post the tweet for your friends to be referred. And that is how you can refer a friend using your customer portal. Thank you very much.